So what's up YouTube, welcome to another video from my channel. I'm Ankit Banerjee and you're watching It's Your Bike Ankit. Now today I'm at Benelli Howrah again in order to show you this motorcycle. You can see in the background that's the TRK 502. Now it's the only red color that is available in West Bengal and I'm going to show you that in a proper way. So let's head inside the showroom. Now coming to the front end of this motorcycle, as you can see, it's really big and bold. You have this big beak going on in front and you have LED DRLs in the headlamp, and the headlamp is halogen. Now this is the Benelli badging that you can see, and you have this long windscreen and this is extended windscreen, and you have this side windscreens in order to protect you from wind when you go at a higher speed on the highways. This is an adventure tourer from Benelli. Now coming to the front wheel of this motorcycle, the front wheel is a 120/70 17-incher and it has this dual 320 disc. Now this is a dual disc. You can also see another caliper there. So it's in a very tight space, that's why I cannot show you the proper front end. Now this is a 50 front forks that actually looks very chunky and very bold. Now you have this number plate integrated into the front mudguard and it looks really nice. So this is the side of the motorcycle. As you can see, you have the TRK badging here underneath the Benelli badging. You have the small graphics. Now coming back from there, that side, you have this big crash guard here. Now this is the side panels. You have this all the cuts and creases here, and this is a small section from where you can access the chassis, as well as the airflow from the radiator comes out from this section. You have this exposed tube trellis frame which looks gorgeous. Coming to the engine of this motorcycle, there is a 500cc inline twin. So it's an inline twin motorcycle, unlike the parallel twins that we see. Now this produces about 47.5 PS and 46 Newton meters of torque. Now you have this twin header pipes coming out from here. You have this Catcon 1 here. Then it's going underneath into a underbelly exhaust. Now you don't have a proper muffler. You have this underbelly exhaust. It comes out directly from the catalytic converter. You have this endurance foot pegs here. You can take out the rubber padding on this, and you have this brake lever, and this is done, these grooves are done in order to give you better grip while you brake and while you go off-road and you play around with this motorcycle. Now coming to the rear end, you have this body colored panels, and you have this very huge and chunky top rack, and this actually also acts as a grab rail. Now you also have this saddle stays, and you have the tube swing arm from Benelli. So it's the signature thing which is going on with the 500 series. You have this 260 rear disc with Benelli branding, and you have this tire hugger in order to cut off the muds thrown by the wide rear tire. So the rear tire that you see here is a 160/60 R17. These are Pirelli Angel GT series. So yeah, it's a very good tire, and it's mostly a road bias tire. It's not, you can go off-road on this motorcycle, but it won't perform as the 502X. Coming to this rear end of this motorcycle, you have this LED tail lamp, and you have this rear number plate holder here. You also have this LED indicators, and coming to this side of this motorcycle, this side is more or less the same. You don't have anything extra on this side. Now you have the charging port here, which enables you to charge your motorcycle on the go. And if you're mounting your phone on this handlebar, coming to the front, you also have this knuckle guards here. So these are aluminium finished knuckle guards. They're very sturdy and very protective. You have the big large tank in body color, and this is the fuel cap. This is the dash of the motorcycle. So it shows you the analog tachometer, or digital speedometer, a trip A indicator, a trip A, trip B, and actually let me show you. So trip A, trip B, and this is the total odometer that you see. You have a clock here, you have a gear position indicator, you have the fuel meter, you have the engine temperature here. So yeah, you have a host of information in this small setup. Now you also have the tail lights which is going on here. So yeah, that's what you have. Now coming to the switch gear, so it's a notch above the segment, which is really nice. These are backlit and this looks really nice. So let me show you. Yeah, so now let's hear the horn once. The horn is also big and bold sounding. Now this is the kill switch, engine kill switch, and this is a customizable button extra given here, so that you can customize it for your needs, maybe for aux lamp and stuff. So we will also hear the exhaust note of this motorcycle. So let's start it off. Exhaust note of Benelli TRK 502. The big thing about this motorcycle is the ground clearance that you see here. So it's at 190 mm, and keeping the weight in mind of this motorcycle, so it weighs about 235 kilos, which is really high, but that actually aids in the highway stability of this motorcycle. Now coming to the seat of this motorcycle, now the seat is really soft and well cushioned. It's really big and bold, and it's very supportive. So it's at 800 mm, so it's very much accessible for even the shorter riders. Now you also have a very big pillion seat. Now this is one of the best pillion seat that I have ever seen on a motorcycle. So yeah, it's really large, and the presence of this motorcycle is something else on the road, because it attracts a lot of attention while you ride it. So yeah, it was all about the design of this Benelli TRK 502. Now speaking about the Benelli TRK 502, now this is an adventure tourer in the segment of 500cc, which you barely see, and for the price it is being offered into the Indian market, it's just incredible. So it is about 4,80,000 for this machine. So it's a very big thumbs up from my side. Now the 4,80,000 price tag is for the red and the white color. The gray color is 10,000 rupees cheaper than that, and you also have another more hardcore, more off-road centric version of it. So it's the 502X. So that costs about 30,000 more than this one. So yeah, if you are looking for adventure tourer, please do consider the Benelli TRK 502. Is one of the best adventure tourer in the segment. Even it can compete well with the upper segment of this whole lineup of adventure tourers, and you can come to Benelli Howrah in order to check out this motorcycle, inquire about this motorcycle, and also if you are really willing to purchase this motorcycle. And another thing, this color is the sole red color variant of the TRK 502 in the whole West Bengal. So you are not going to find this color anywhere else right now. So that was all about this video. Hope you liked the video. Share, like, comment, and do subscribe to my channel, because I really need to climb up real high very soon in order to give you each and every possible content from my channel. So that's Ankit Banerjee signing off. Hope to see you in the next video soon.